So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your PayPal account. So if you want to restore a locked or closed PayPal account, you can reset your password on the login page and submit requested identity documents in your resolution center. So once you get your PayPal account and you want to restore your previous account, you can go to the option Forgot Password. So just click on that, and from that point on you will need to type in your registered email address, or if you have a registered phone number, so the PayPal app can recognize what your account previously was, and then you can finish the security check through text or email code and make a new password when prompted to do so. So you can also fix a locked or limited account. So you can log in and go to your resolution center. So let's get to the resolution center. So your resolution center would appear something like that. So you can, once you get there, you can get to your notifications to see required steps. So upload clear photos of your ID, proof of address, or invoice proofs if asked to do so in order to recover it, and prepare a bank or credit card statement matching the account details if you need to call support. So lastly, you can always call them. So get to that specific, just to PayPal's specific customer support, reach out to them and speak with an agent that's going to help you out with the necessary steps to recover your PayPal account. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.